This is hopefully a demonstration to make sure we're all on the same page about how the lock's supposed to work. If you notice with the key turned, this is out, it's engaged, so the gate's locked right now. Now I could push this in with my finger. This would be the same thing. If I turn the key, you would see this piece go in, and this would be free of the gate. See how it's coming apart now that I push that in, and it's closed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit the remote for the gate. Okay, this is already back out again. You can see from the top view. This is how it should be most of the time. Now the gate's in the open position, so again, sitting out here like this, I could take my finger and push it in. This would be the same thing. If I turn this key, you would see this go in. Okay, the gate's going closed. I'm going to come down here where the latch is so you can see how this happens. Okay. Now you can see the pin's behind this, and it was a manual action. Now let's see if I can open this a little bit. Oh, it's pretty snug. There we go. We'll see if I let this go. The sun's kind of bright here. I don't know if you can see this. If I let this go, it latches around it manually.